Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech Genius. This is me Surya Prakash, and in today's video I'll be explaining and demonstrating you how to withdraw money from your Binance account to your bank account directly. We are not gonna have any intermediates in these steps, etc. So guys, before moving on to the video, it would be great for me if you just click on the subscribe button and the bell button near subscribe button if you are not yet subscribed to my channel. And I would also be grateful to you if you guys you could just click on the thumbs up button at the end of this video if you just like this video. So guys, uh, let's just straightly dive into the video. Before that, guys, I have created a Binance gift box especially for you guys. So what you guys could do is that, let's say this is just going to be a giveaway type. So guys, the first let's say I'll give my gift to about 500 users. The first 500 users are going to win $1 each. So all the best to you guys. So I leave the gift box code in the description below, and if you guys have not yet signed up in the Binance, I'll also leave my referral code with you. And if you use my referral, there is going to be a lot of benefits, such as you're going to get 15% of your fees you paid back to you. So, and I'm gonna get 5% of it. So that is the thing. I am like, I'm totally frank with you guys. I'm not gonna cheat you guys or anything. I'm being totally frank here. I'm not being like other YouTubers. Like, I'm not telling you lies about the referral code, etc. 15% is for you, 5% is for me. So that's the limit. So for this video, there is a small thing which you must do, which you must complete in order to withdraw money from Binance to a bank account. For that, you just need to have a Binance account verified. So I hope you guys know how to verify Binance account, and if you do not, I have posted a separate video on how to create a Binance account, and I have explained and demonstrated you all the steps from signing up to verifying, to stuffs like verifying using Aadhaar, PAN number, etc. So guys, in this video, the method which I'm going to use is known as P2P trading. So this is my Binance Pay over here. So the crypto box, this is what I mentioned. Right now, for a test, I have created a crypto box using a least minimum of amount, like 0.01 USD, but I'm going to create a crypto box worth $500. Okay, I'm going to create a crypto box worth $500, and it's going to be a fixed crypto thing. So guys, you could just check it. I have enough balance with me, so I'll be creating a crypto box worth $500, and it's going to be fixed for the first 500 users. So each user will get $1. Okay, so you can just receive a crypto box by going here and entering your crypto box ID. Okay, so I'm gonna navigate to my P2P trading, which is over here. As you can see, I'm gonna click it. This is a warning, guys. Just crypto P2P is something which contains risks. It's not completely risk free. So guys, please just read it carefully and click on agree. Once we are agreed, if you're having, if you're here, you would be in a state where you'll be having crypto in your hand and you would need to withdraw it to your bank account. So what you could do is that you could just go click on sell, and you could just sell the crypto which you have. So guys, for proofs, I'll be showing you few of my transactions. These are few of my cancelled transactions. For security purposes, I'm unable to show you the completed transactions. You guys could just take a look at this. This is my cancel transactions. Once again, you'll go to Binance P2P. Right now I'm in a state of posting ads. So guys, actually this P2P is a great way to earn money too, but you are in a state where you could be cheated and you may bear some loss. Okay, so I am not actually responsible if you face any losses. I have one time experienced that, but you know, finance support team will help you rectify those errors, you know, those losses, etc. So if you're gonna buy, just click on this buy button over here. The main thing which I love the Binance P2P is it is completely free for Indians, and this with this P2P will not only be able to our Indian rupees, but as you can see on top right corner, I have the option to change my currency. Okay, so we could do it in almost all the currencies which is accepted by Binance: US, USD, Euro, Singaporean dollars, Chinese yuan, etc. So if you want to buy crypto, you just click on this button, you enter your amount, you enter the thing, etc. Now if you want to sell the crypto which you are holding, we'll just go here, click on the sell button over here. We'll just sell, for example, 100 USD. Okay, the minimum limit the user has set is gonna somewhat higher, so I'm gonna scroll down. I'm gonna choose user, yeah, 27,000. Okay, so I'm gonna choose a payment method. So I could choose a payment method. The most preferable thing which I use is going to be my UPI address. So with the UPI address, we'll be able to receive our money directly in a bank account. So guys, if you want an actual demonstration showing you how to actually sell it, I could also post another video, but I hope my explanation was clear and up to the point, so I will not be selling and showing it to you. So guys, once again, thanks for watching this video until the end. Like I told before, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, you can just go and click on subscribe button. The bell button is subscribe button. And if you're not yet like this video, you can just click on the thumbs up button below this video. Once again, thanks for watching this video until the end. Bye.